I'm here with my 1992 Ferrari 348 TS. The car is absolutely gorgeous. It's 29,000 original miles, no accident history, 3 owners, super straight body, the best color you can get in this car. Testarossa lines. Most people that see this car that are not Ferrari enthusiasts believe it to be 5-6 years old. I get that a lot. Excellent rubber on the tires. You've got stainless or chrome exhaust tips, and then you can see here and through the pictures the engine has extensive chrome. Looks really good. These shields are actually magnetic. They can peel off. They're really neat. These are factory Ferrari graphics that have had magnets applied to them. So if you don't like them, you can take them off. Alright, open the car up. Awesome two-tone interior. Black and red alternating patterns and panels here. Driver's seat, passenger seat. There's some bolster wear here. Every VIN plate matches on the car. Ferrari floor mats. There's no check engine lights, no warning lights. All of the glass is good, no cracks or chips. It's a really straight car. It's turnkey, it starts every time. Oh, this is kind of neat. It's got a Viper alarm system here, so press the first button. So it's armed right now. If we get close to it. Alright, obviously it works, and this is cool too. It has a pop open feature. So you press the third button and it pops open the driver's side door. How cool is that? Let's go take it for a spin. You can see the glass is original. All of the sticky parts on the car are sticky. That's to be expected. All of your bezels, you know, your center console here. Alright, so keys in, turn it up. See the gas lights on. Idle's exactly where it's supposed to, 1,000 RPMs, good oil pressure. E-brakes off, put it in first, off we go. The engine just purrs. Awesome sounding car. Second right now. Fourth and fifth. Again, that's just the gas light. again, we come to a stop. We're at exactly at 1,000 RPMs. Where it's supposed to idle. Put it in first. Let's take off. That's 80 miles an hour right there. Just an awesome, awesome car. Back in the fifth, and we're cruising. Thanks for checking out my car. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. Take care.